how to play Richmond, North of Richmond by Oliver Anthony. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the 4 chords that he's using. He's using a G minor chord in the key of G minor. Then we go to an E flat chord. Now all I have to do to change this G minor to E flat is change that D to the E flat. Because G minor, 1, 3, 5 on G, E flat is 1, 3, 5 on E flat. So you have the G and the B flat. All we do is change to that E flat with the thumb, and you've got your E flat chord. Then we've got a B flat chord. Now B flat is black, white, white. B flat, D, F. But since we're here, we put that B flat in the middle and change it to F, B flat, D. And he's playing on that guitar, so that he's getting different sounding chords anyway. But so we're just making it work for that left hand. And then we end with an F chord, F-A-C. So it's... And he really never changes it all the way through. So now all we got to do is get the melody. So you got G, B flat, G, B flat, C, C, D, D, C, C, D, C, B flat, C, C, D, D, B flat, C, D, C, B flat, B flat, B flat, D, 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 B flat, B flat, D, 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 C, B flat, D, D, C, B flat, B flat, B flat, D, 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 C. Then the pre-chorus C, B flat, C, G, all the way up to F, B, G, F, F, C, B flat, crush that C into the B flat, B flat, G, G, F, D, B flat, G, G, F, D, C, C, B flat, D, 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 B flat, B flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, and he falls off onto a D, that D, and then we go B flat, F, B flat, G, C, and then we're into the chorus, D, C, C, B flat, C, G, B flat, then all the way up to this F again, F, D, G, and they fall off, F, D, G, C, fall off to that F, C, F to the C, B flat, D, D, C, D, C, D, D, C, D, C, B flat, D, 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 D. So you're all on, that's all on B flat, D, and C. C, B flat, D, C, C, G, B flat, G, F, F, C, B flat, 2 of them, G, F, F, C, again, 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 again. Now that last time, you're going to the Richmond, so it's going Richmond, and you get a little D crush into that C. That same thing on the Richmond, and then we've got an interlude. I'll show you that when we get to it. So then all you got to do is put that melody with the chords, and I'll go slowly so you can see it. Pre-chorus. Now we're into the chorus. Here you go ahead and hit that chord between vocal lines. The next chord. Same thing here, you hit the chord between the vocal lines. Now it's hard to tell where he hits that chord on these, but these Richmond, so you can hit it anywhere it feels good in there. Now he puts that on the last note, consistently. interlude, I'm going to have open fifths in the left hand. G, D, E flat, B flat, B flat, F. Then we'll end with A, F. The root of the chord is F right there. So you got the G minor, the E flat chord again, the B flat. We're just changing the bass a little bit, and we end with the F chord. And then to simulate the guitar, I'm going to have B flat, G, F, G, 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 F, D, and then we'll end with C and the F. So you'll have the whole chord represented: A, F, C, F. So your F, A, C. We'll have it spelled out like this with A in the bass. And I'll go slowly so that you can see it together with that brief interlude. If you have to slow down right there before that chord, just go ahead and slow it down. You can slow the whole interlude down if you want to. So then he does the second verse, and the second verse is very similar melodically, and it's the same harmonically. We're putting that verse on the early in the melodic line. And once you get to the pre-chorus and the chorus, they're just the same. Chorus. Put that chord in between. Back to putting that chord at the end right there of the vocal line. Got a little tag interlude. He has a little interlude before the tag, and now here I'm going to hit the chord just like I did, because he has a chord behind it. So I'll use the same chords that I did. I won't do that open fifth thing there. Let me slow that down just a little bit so you can see it. Just B flat G, add a C to it, then an F B flat C, and then he just strums the chords one at a time, so I'm just going to roll them with both hands. So I'm rolling them with both hands, same thing in both hands. Does a slow tag that's very expressive. So just slow it down, make it feel the emotion. And then he does some little things with his guitar and adds, it's like he adds a sixth in there, a D into the chord, so that's all I did. He strums the chord, so I put that G minor chord, both hands, and then I lift off the left hand, so only the right hand's holding it. And then he lifts off it, and then pops it again. So that's what I do. Lift that left hand, hold it a little bit, lift off it, and pop that chord. Well, there you have it. It's a great song by a new artist, Oliver Anthony. New to me anyway. Richmond, north of Richmond. Hope you enjoy playing it.